Got a 1995 GMC Sierra 1500. Beautiful red color, burgundy truck. What we did on it, it's got a high flow catalytic converter right there. Then we put a Super 10 on it, and it's got duals out the back with 3.5 inch by 18 black tips. Right there, right there. There's the duals. There's the Flowmaster Super 10 right there. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Sounds much better, nice and deep. Had a Wi-Fi setup before, and it was too loud, not deep enough. So we put a Super 10 on it, Flowmaster. Sounds a lot better. You can actually really hear it breathe. Step side edition, 1500. Got the cowl hood. Really beautiful truck. And that's how it's done.